Today we're going to deal with laminated window boards, when to use them and getting the correct end caps, which is the most important. This is a 200mm wide white laminated window board. It's used as a replacement board for an existing board that might be damaged. It's got a laminated finish to it that doesn't mark, it doesn't scratch, and it's very easy to clean. One of the big problems that we have with customers ordering the incorrect item is getting the correct end cap to finish it. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I've done a straight edge and a joggled edge. The joggled edge is normally for when you're going around plaster work, which is the majority of instances. Where you'd see the full straight edge exposed is on a doorway, say for instance on a conservatory doorway. There are two types of end cap. We have the window board end cap and we have the laminated window board end cap. The window board end caps are available all in solid colours. You have white, caramel, brown and grey. The laminated window board end caps are available in a solid white, a laminated golden oak, a laminated rosewood and a laminated light oak. The window board end caps are 300mm in length, whereas the laminated end caps are 400mm in length. So with the full length window board end cap, you would place the window board end cap, mark it, take it off and then put a cut line there and fit it back on. For sticking it on, I'd recommend any grip fix adhesive. My personal favourites, Sudal Turbo, one because it's super strong and two because it goes off virtually instantly. If you're going to use some other grip fix adhesives, I'd recommend you putting some tape over it just to hold it in position until it goes off. Quite often you'd cut a laminated window board around the plaster, so we create what's called a small joggle. Again, it's very similar. You place the end cap on, mark where it needs to be cut, take it off and cut it with a hacksaw. We also have the laminated window board end cap that's available in the different laminates, but I'll show you the white version. You clip it onto the end. It's a bit tighter fit, this one, but just means once it's on, it holds on, and you'll also see it's quite a slim profile finish.